500 years ago, in Tenochtitlan, now Mexico, submits to the conquistador Cortez. The last Aztec emperor Montezuma says, "These Spanish invaders will loot all of our gold, which has driven them mad. Fortunately, the gods have willed that they are not interested in our jade. We are saving what is essential." End of quote. Jade, a stone of sacred devotion to the Native Americans here, came from a more southerly region, populated by the Maya in Sierra de las Niñas in present-day Guatemala. I have a limited supply from this source. Sacred jade was a symbol of eternal life, abundance, and a talisman for fertility, growth, balance, and harmony.
The ever dramatic.
I know you want to go for a walk, Snoopy, but I gotta cut this. Crazy dog. The world doesn't revolve around your walks.